All right, Chevrolet pickup time here. Now, first off, you can see on the windshield, states 1967. This truck is titled as a 1967. It is a 1968 model year. According to the VIN, the VIN on the title matches the vehicle. There is clear title to it. I just want to make that clear. This is a 68, and I believe a couple of the telltale signs is this marker light up front here, and the one also back there on the box would be on a 68, not a 67. And also that larger rear window. I believe the difference between a 68 and a 67. 67s wouldn't have that larger rear window. Anyway, just want to get that clear. As you can see, it does have some patina to it underneath the hood. Inline 6, 250 cubic inch. Inline 6. And that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This truck actually came to us out of Kansas. So it's one of those, if you want to take it to the next level, make it into a street rod or just a nice old classic truck, you can. Otherwise, it's a good runner. The way it sits right now has 4 new wheel cylinders in it and is ready to roll. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, has a bench red vinyl seat. Check out the interior pics, engine bay, underside pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, headlights have been added after the fact. More modern, brighter headlight has been added. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, check out that interior. Again, red vinyl interior bench seat, 4-speed manual. Again, this truck came to us out of Kansas. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And you can see it's not full of holes, rust above the wheel wells. See, somebody has kind of started doing some of the work on it as far as cleaning it up. That other side fender had been replaced. See some primer and some body work around the cab area. There are a couple little small spots down here that would need to be addressed again if you're taking it to the next level and want to make this into a classic old truck. Otherwise, like I said, it'll fire up and run. Looking for just something to have some fun with. Interior seat has been redone. You can see the pans look good, so it'd be a good starting spot for somebody. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. See how easily it starts. Odometer reads 86,000. Can't really confirm or deny whether that's original or not, because the miles will not stay on the title after the truck is so old. It did have the heater core. I know this was hooked up. Has this fan switch has been added. The fan works. Wipers work. Did play around with those a little bit. It also appeared the fuel gauge went up and fuel gauge worked from what I could see. The headliner. Flip around to the back. I mean, no crazy exhaust, anything like that. Not smoking. Let's go up to the front. We'll pop this hood. I want you to check out the engine bay. Just a slight exhaust leak sounds like there, but check out the engine bay here a second. Here's that 250 inline 6. New battery. See, it's a smooth runner. So there you go. 1968. Chevy C10. Again, remember, title says 67, but the VIN states 68, and the VIN does match between the title and the truck, and there is a clear title list. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the still pictures, see the underside, check it over. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.